Is the 2026 Honda Africa Twin the new king of adventure bikes? You won't believe what Honda has done this time. Welcome to AutoVibe, your trusted destination for the latest bike insights. Today, we explore the all-new 2026 Honda Africa Twin, a machine built to conquer continents, crush trails, and redefine adventure riding for the next generation. A new era of power. The 2026 Africa Twin arrives with a refined engine, delivering stronger mid-range torque and smoother throttle response. Honda has optimized the parallel twin motor for long-distance performance, giving riders more confidence on steep climbs, deep sand, and high-speed highways. Next-level technology. Honda upgrades the electronics package with advanced traction control, customizable ride modes, and improved cornering ABS. The new TFT system offers sharper UI and smartphone integration, making navigation, calls, and music easier than ever on rugged journeys. Comfort meets toughness. The chassis gets lighter yet more durable, enhancing stability on rough terrains. A redesigned seat, improved wind protection, and upgraded suspension provide unmatched comfort whether you're tackling city traffic or remote off-road trails. Adventure-ready design. The 2026 Africa Twin flaunts a more aggressive front fascia, new LED DRLs, and a muscular fuel tank for extended range. Its rally-inspired DNA remains intact, now sharper, stronger, and more aerodynamic. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda Africa Twin isn't just an upgrade, it's a declaration. A machine built for explorers, thrill-seekers, and riders who chase the horizon. If you're ready for the ultimate adventure ride, this is a bike you can't ignore.